abahinja aba nibegitira mu kigombe cyabo ekya Nyankwanzi Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited kandi obwa hati nibarengo mu 10 nekigenderwa cyo kwega kongera hamutindo gwebihingwa byabo.
And it has come to reality. Now this season alone they have sold coffee worth 1.3 billion shillings together.
So omukoro gugwa gugigo kutomu katare gugigo kutamani kumanya okutoka kwasakora value addition hamwani gwitu nebirimwe bindi.
Edison Tsobera mukuru w'ebyobuhingi n'oburisa omuri Kyenjojo atumanyise ngo nibenda kutandika enkora ya teknolojia okumanya kumara hebizibu ebiryo mu bahingi.
First of all, we have also installed for them a system that can monitor the farmer, that can monitor whether the farmers are receiving good extension services. They can communicate directly to us through a system. If the farmer has a complaint, he can mention it on the system.
To emphasize the idea of mindset change and projected income statements among the farmers so that they can be able to up their games of agriculture as a business.
Abahinja aba abo muri Kyenjojo nibagira ngo kwegitera hamwe hina hikira abatware.
Cooperative ejine yegesa te kukoma ku just kugura kungane yegesa abantu kubashimira kushora mu mwanya
mobilizing abantu barete bintu ebyamutindo
betuteraba abashubuzi bo nabo mu Kyenjojo ngo babase kwije mu cooperatives barete umwani gwaho banogo gwezire ogwahindike gukushona nkogo.
Omukoro gubiro mugombora eya Nyankwanzi kandi abakugu abahinji n'abarisa hamwe n'abebembezi nibo bagwetabiremo omuganda makuru ba pastor korwa mu district ya Rukungiri barugireyo bashabwa mu kwejombera mu programs za government baba nibenda kubingo bworo omumakagabo okushaba kuhirweyo chairman w'entebe ya katano ahabwa district ya Rukungiri Geoffrey Chomukama obwabiraje kire minister w'ibyo kwerinda Jim Muhwezi kandi ba pastor bona babire berundanire ahar God's Embassy erukushangwa mu Rukungiri municipality.
Fato yaboro ebintu nibigira ki yesente zukwenda kwisha tumwachendaga kuba boro twacenda boro batori ne districts kaga na mwenda azaduto Rukungiri batutorana
Chomukama yonjire yahiga abantu okukozesa kurunja amataka gabo obwo barugahingamo ebintu byino mugasho nkomwani
ndakuteka wamani icyo kubanza okuhinga umwani abeshengereza namwe no wakuba inakataka ukina akataka iroko yongero hinga umwani abakina akataka iroko yongero hinga umwani kandi government enda kujya kukwataraho kandi enda kujya kakarika kutera mwesete government enda kubarete resenge umuhingo mwana mukanye kandi kubugumire
twatera tam so nanena mu banjurire omujanye mukuru that we are no longer the other group they said we are disorganized, uneducated, are good for nothing. Those days are gone. We are men and women who are responsible, who are focused and planning for the future.
Yes. Umubituri gukora twatagambira mu bitereza barisa intezamate kandi twira barisi 13 intezo zamate
gasha kwa Daniel Bingana na Dan Basibwe.